We have found that contracted staff are more productive, and there's a performance target, and every 3 years you have to sit and defend your work for the last 3 years or whatever period that you've been there, and for that reason you are more answerable and more productive. And I think that is the direction as a county would want to go. There are those who went on strike, those who are permanent and pensionable, and we have made it very clear that if they are to return to work, will not pay for the period when they've been out of work, and there will be consequences for such behavior, because in the case of Nakuru, they did not go on strike because Nakuru had not performed its obligations. They went on strike because of solidarity with other counties that had not performed their obligations.